Hi again, YouTube. I wanted to make a quick video showing the close-up capabilities of the 700p. Right now we're looking at some grape hyacinths, which I've photographed with my larger smartphone in the past. It doesn't look like we're getting quite the same quality picture as far as focus as the new smartphone, but I think I'm getting the colors pretty well there. There's some dandelions down here. See how those look? Yeah, again, nice close-up of that. And more grape hyacinths. Yeah, not that good, but I think doing an okay job. Anyway, so I will get a few more videos and let you all enjoy all those on YouTube. Thanks for watching.